Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can make your pool maintenance much easier, the U.S. Pool Supply Leaf Skimmer Set. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what is the U.S. Pool Supply Leaf Skimmer Set? This is a professional-grade cleaning set that includes two essential tools, a skimmer pool net and a leaf rake net. These nets are designed for efficient and quick debris cleanup in pools and spas, making them ideal for daily use. Whether you have an in-ground pool, an above-ground pool, or even a small inflatable pool, this set can help keep your water crystal clear. Let's get into the key features that make this set stand out. First off, the skimmer net has outer frame dimensions of 12 inches wide by 12 inches long, paired with a fine mesh netting that measures 10.5 inches wide by 11.5 inches long. This design allows it to catch even the smallest debris while ensuring that leaves stay securely within the net as you maneuver it through the water. On the other hand, the leaf rake net is larger, with an outer frame of 16 inches wide and 12 inches high, and it includes a 14-inch deep fine mesh netting bag. This scoop-style design allows you to collect a large amount of debris efficiently, which is particularly useful when tackling heavy leaf fall. One of the standout features of this set is its sturdy yet lightweight construction. The durable plastic frame is designed to be safe for use in all types of pools and won't mar your pool liners. This is particularly important for those who have invested in high-quality pool liners and want to keep them in pristine condition. Additionally, the nets offer a little flex, which makes them easier to maneuver, especially when you're trying to reach into corners or around steps. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a pool owner looking for a reliable and efficient way to keep your swimming area free of leaves and debris, this set is perfect for you. It's also great for spa owners, as well as those with ponds or inflatable pools. Whether you're a seasoned pool maintenance enthusiast or someone who just wants to enjoy a clean swimming experience without a lot of hassle, this skimmer set is designed to meet your needs. In terms of practical use cases, imagine it's a warm summer day, and you're looking forward to a refreshing swim. But, oh no! The wind has blown leaves and debris into your pool. With the U.S. Pool Supply Leaf Skimmer Set, you can quickly grab your skimmer net, attach it to a standard telescopic pole, and start scooping out the debris with ease. The fine mesh ensures you catch even the smallest particles, leaving your pool looking spotless. Or perhaps you have a spa that's accumulated some debris after a windy day. The leaf rake net can help you quickly gather larger debris, making it simple to maintain a clean and inviting space for relaxation. This set can also be invaluable during the fall months when leaves tend to accumulate rapidly. In conclusion, the U.S. Pool Supply Leaf Skimmer Set offers a practical, effective solution for keeping your pool, spa, or pond clean and enjoyable. With its sturdy, lightweight design and efficient netting, it's a worthwhile addition to your pool maintenance toolkit. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.